Today I will be presenting my project called Veloura Jewels. It is an online e-commerce jewelry website that I built using React, Tailwind CSS, TypeScript, and Supabase as backend. So when I was building this website, I did not want to build something that looks like an ordinary website. I wanted it to have a look that looks eye-pleasing. So I focused heavily on animation and beautification of this whole website. So just this is the home page. Let me show you the whole website quickly. This is the home page. So look at the animation, how smooth and beautiful it feels, and look at the font style, style and spacing. Each and everything looks awesome. So the client that I have, he really prefers his website to have an aesthetic and premium look. He just started a store a few weeks ago, so he wanted his business was growing. He wanted to have the website ready within a month. So it took me a lot of time to build this website. Now let's quickly explore the website. So this is our home page. Whenever I see most of jewelry online websites, I see that they are crowded with multiple categories, so many categories that people get confused which one to choose, which one is the best perfect one. Let me show you an example. This is a website, TJ Wholesale. It is a good website actually. I buy a lot of things from here, but just take a look at uh, the overall categories. There are so many categories. When you click at one, there are multiple further categories came forward. So this is the issue. This creates an issue for the user to choose which one is the best perfect one. So it causes a dilemma. That's why I just included 6 categories as my client demanded. So there is one for him that is for males, and there are 5 other categories. These are for females, and there are not multiple categories that causes the user to think about which one is the perfect. He just clicks one and scrolls and checks whichever product he feels the best. He buys it. Now let me show you the shopping page. So this is the page where there are all the products. So here you can apply multiple filters. For example, if you are feeling that the prices are too high, you can check the lowest one. Here you can go from lowest one. The lowest one available is a sapphire blue halo gold set. It is 1,000 rupees and it is at sale of 50%. Now if you don't want a gold set, you can look for rings. That's in the male category as well. And when you apply for rings, there are multiple rings available of different color, different styles. If you want to have multiple filters enabled, you can do that. Jumkas and rings will be available, and you can do this for all of them. And if you want to have products within a specific range, you can use a price range filter here, like from 19,000 to 5,000. Similarly, if you want to just eliminate all these filters, you can use this option. If you want to just see the items that are on sale, you can use this option. So if you want to see the details, you just go there. You will see how many percent discount is there and how many reviews are there. Now this project has not been given to the client yet, so there are no reviews at the moment. Now you can add it to the cart. See, it is added to the cart. The option notification appears. Now you cannot add it to a wish list unless you are logged in. But here I am an admin and I am logged in, so I can do that. But there is no need at the moment. So let's just go to checkout now. Check out. We can we can go here. We can add our information here, city, postal code, and if there's a monument near your house, you can just add it here so that it becomes easy for the delivery people to deliver the product easily. And there's 150 rupees delivery fee, and there is a rule that if you buy something about 1,500 rupees, your delivery fee is literally zero. So this is the flow checkout. So first you add your information, then it goes to payment method, then review. Let me show you. You can I added a special feature called order via step because most of the time people feel it's easy to use WhatsApp for ordering. They will have direct communication with the admin, the owner, so it becomes kind of easy for them. So let me show you to continue, and now we place the order. Here we go to WhatsApp, and here all the information is included. There is an order ID, there is a sapphire, there's the name of the product, the total, the delivery, each and everything, with the name of the user, its address, and each and everything. Payment. So now let me show you the user admin dashboard. There are multiple orders here. Just take a look at there. There's a new added. This is the one added. So these are the pending orders. Here I can mark it confirmed, mark it, so it will be in confirmed now, then processing, skip, ship, delivered, cancel. All of these are the ones, and whenever there's a new order added, the admin is notified. As a result, he became updated about all the new orders. So then there are product category. He can view all his product, add any product, and filter them and see them and edit them. All of these options are here, and there are multiple categories here. Thumbnails. As I said that my client wants to have the power over pictures. He wants to add pictures of categories thumbnail himself. So I added this feature for him. Then there are multiple customers that the admin can see reviews. Here reviews will only be given once the shipment is delivered and the status is changed from confirmed to delivered. Then the user will be able to review the product. And there is discounts, analytics. Here he can say sales over 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. At the moment there is nothing here. So let's move on. These are settings. He can change his information here. He can change the delivery fee. There are payment methods, and if you want to announce something, he can announce here, like the store is closed or there's new sale. He can announce it directly here. And this is the hero image that we are using, and this is a beautiful image. And if some problem occurs or when it has to be modified, we can use maintenance mode. It tells the customers that the store is temporarily closed, so they can uh, so so that they will be back shortly. Now this is the admin panel, admin account. This is the audit log. Here there are all the actions that the admin admin did. Here there are all the actions that the admin performed. So now let's move sign out, and now let me show you the user profile. Here we go to user. Now there is password. We can sign in here, as it shows us our all the personal information. We can add our picture here. We can see how much we have ordered and how much we have spent. There we will have all our orders at the moment. This is the testing. This testing user, so I haven't added any orders at the moment. So this is the wish list. Now he can add a wish list. Let me show you. Let's go back to the store. Now we can add any product to our wish list. Add, we can add it to wish list, as simple as that. Now let's go there. Now see here wish list. Now it will be appearing here. See, it is that easy, and we can change our address over here. We can add an address here, and this is, we can, if we want to add a new password, we can add it here and sign out on all devices and delete the whole account if there is an issue. And also there is a feature that if the user does not want to be registered and he just want to buy a product, then he can do that himself. That let's first sign out of here, and if I want to browse a product, I can go there, add cart, now checkout, proceed to checkout. Here we can go to order via WhatsApp, and we can order anything we want without doing it without being registered on the website. So this is it for the project at the moment.